what they really do, you're a good customer, so we'll give you worse terms than everybody else. Now, I like to think about this in kind of three layers, if you like. All of these lenders have a bit of an internal limit, which might be $1 million, might be 2 million, might be 5 million, might be 10 million. They also have a limit that's set by the PRA, which for the smaller banks starts to be a problem. If you ever deal with Redwood or you deal with someone like Castle Trust, they can't lend you 10 million quid. They're not allowed to. And then they'll put forward to they normally have a credit committee they'll then put forward to and say, we want you to do this. What then starts to happen when you get to these levels of 5 million and above with certain lenders is they'll then say, yes, you're a bit different, you are. So what they really do, you're a good customer, so we'll give you worse terms than everybody else. And that's what they do. So I deliberately do not want more than 25% of my lending with any one lender. Then they say, well, can we have all your lending? You're like, well, no, you absolutely can't. If you at the level of the 10-ish million level, depends on the bank, don't get me wrong, but they won't go above 70% loan to value as a general rule. This is inferior, right? This is problematic. Then you get further down the track, 15 million plus, they want 60% loan to value. Now then the rates will start to come down, but they'll be much keener on you having a floating rate loan, which you've got to have a fairly strong constitution these days, given the last few years, right? I would rather fix for 5 years and work on a cycle. Once I've done it, I set and forget it. They're bloody brilliant because you know where you are. So I'm at this headroom with the muddy water here, whereas really what I want to do is I just want to go to here, right? But I can't go to here without either breaking my rules and cancelling everything off and spending 7 figures in early repayment charges, which is a lot to stomach. And I'd have to go to 60% loan to value. Now, about 57, 58 across the portfolio. So it is an option, right? But I don't want the floating rate.